Welcome to our tutorial on how to write a first-class essay every time. Let's start by understanding what defines a top-tier essay. First, carefully read your essay question. Make sure you fully understand the task and what is being asked. Underline key terms in the prompt such as evaluate, compare, or discuss. This clarifies your direction. Begin brainstorming. List out your initial ideas and possible arguments relating to the question. Start your research using credible academic sources. Familiarize yourself with current debates on your topic. Take detailed notes as you research, focusing on quotes and ideas that support or challenge your argument. Organize your notes by themes or arguments. This makes essay planning much easier later on. Develop a clear thesis statement that directly answers the essay question. Create an essay outline. Start with introduction, main points for each paragraph, and a planned conclusion. For your introduction, briefly explain the context and end with your thesis statement. Start your first body paragraph with a clear topic sentence. Each paragraph should discuss only one main idea, supporting it with evidence from your research. Integrate quotes and analysis, not just summaries. Explain how evidence supports your point. Compare different viewpoints. First-class essays demonstrate critical thinking and awareness of debate. Use linking sentences to move smoothly from one paragraph to the next, maintaining logical flow. Maintain a formal, academic tone throughout your essay. Be concise and avoid unnecessary words that cloud your argument. Always answer the essay question directly. Make sure every paragraph links back to your thesis. Cite your sources properly to avoid plagiarism. Use the referencing style required by your institution. Draft your conclusion by summarizing key points and reasserting your thesis without introducing new information. Ensure your conclusion leaves the reader with a sense of your essay's significance. Revisit your introduction. Make sure it aligns with what your essay actually discusses. Check each paragraph for clarity, evidence, and originality in your analysis. Use transition words such as however, furthermore, or in contrast to enhance flow. Keep your arguments balanced and avoid overly emotional language. Cut unnecessary details. Only include what drives your argument forward. Review your essay structure. Each point should logically follow the last. Check that your thesis is supported by every paragraph in your essay. Ensure your referencing is consistent and complete throughout. Proofread your essay for grammar, punctuation, and spelling errors. Read your essay aloud to catch awkward sentences or unclear phrases. Ask a friend or peer to read your essay and offer feedback. Revise unclear sections or weak arguments based on feedback received. Make sure your introduction, body, and conclusion are clearly distinguished. Ensure every claim is backed by evidence from your research. Eliminate passive voice where possible, making your statements more direct. Be objective and scholarly. Avoid personal opinion unless asked for your perspective. Track your word count to keep your essay within set limits. Double-check for correct use of terminology specific to your subject area. Make sure your analysis is deeper than mere description. Focus on why and how, not just what. Review each paragraph for a balance of evidence, explanation, and evaluation. Use up-to-date sources to show that your argument is current and relevant. Create a reference list or bibliography following your required citation format. If required, include a title page with your essay's title, your name, and other necessary details. Cross-check essay guidelines to ensure you've met formatting and referencing requirements. Save your final essay in multiple safe locations before submission. Print or convert your essay into the preferred format for submission as required by your institution. Take a short break before performing your final proofread. Read your essay one last time, focusing on flow and overall clarity. Make any last-minute adjustments to strengthen arguments or clarify points. Submit your essay via the official submission portal before the deadline. Keep your research notes and drafts in case you need to refer back after submission. Start developing the habit of scheduling your essay writing process well before deadlines. Reflect on feedback from your tutor or lecturer to improve future essays. Consider joining writing workshops or study groups to enhance your skills continuously. Regularly practice critical thinking and argumentation even outside class assignments. Maintain an organized library of sources for future reference and research efficiency. Keep updated on academic conventions and referencing styles for your discipline. Regularly read first-class essay samples to understand structure and argument depth. Practice writing clear and direct thesis statements for various types of essay questions. Develop the habit of outlining every essay, no matter the length or topic. Focus on improving one essay skill at a time: analysis, clarity, or referencing, for example. Seek feedback from multiple sources, including tutors, peers, or writing centers. Balance your essay studies with breaks to maintain mental clarity and creativity. Stay motivated by setting personal academic goals for each essay you write. Reward yourself for completing essays on time and meeting high standards. Each step brings you closer to mastering first-class essay writing. Keep practicing to perfect your skills.